A vessel was containing 80 liters of pure milk. 16 liters of milk was taken out and replaced with equal amount of water. Again 16 liters of newly formed mixture of milk and water is taken out. Then 24 liters of water is added. What is the respective ratio of milk and water? I am talking about only water now. How many liters of milk we have? Milk. Let us talk about only milk. How many liters of milk we have? 16 liters is taken away and replaced with equal amount of water. So after replacement, again the total quantity is going to be 80 liters. Correct? How many liters taken away? Can we say 20% is taken out? If 20% is taken out, you will have 64. Totally same, 80 liters. Again, how many liters is taken away? Come on. Again, I can say 20%. 20% is 12.8, 51.2. Then how many liters of water is added? How many extra liters are adding? How many liters taken away? How many liters water added? How many extra liters added? Then total quantity is 88. Then remaining is equal to 28.8. That will be water. Got it? 512 to 88. Cancellation with 8. 8 square will be left because 512 is 8 cube. 8 3 times. 6 times. Again cancellation with, 8 3 is 24. 8 tone kada cancellation. 24, 48, 6 times. 8 cancellation is not possible. 4, 16 times, 9 times. Hey. This is wrong. How much is total? Then this will be equal to 36.8 liters. Sum of these two, how much? ఇంతకు ముందు 80 లోంచి తీసేస్తే వచ్చింది అది. This is 64 times only. 8 4 times 32, 48. 6 times again cancellation with 2, 32, 23. In 2004, total monthly salary of A and B together was 18,000. In 2005, monthly salary of A and B increased by 14% and 20% respectively from previous year. If after the given increment, A's salary became 76% of B's salary, what was A's salary in 2004? Okay. In 2005, AB salaries comparison is already there. A's salary increased by 14%, then it becomes 114% of A. B salary increased by 20%, then it becomes 120% of B. Comparison says A's salary is 76% of B's salary. 76%, I will write it as 76 by 100. 120% of B, take it to left hand side. Percentage symbol gets cancelled. 4 cancellation. Denominator 30 times, numerator 29 times. Right hand side 4 cancellation, 19 times, 25 times. Yes? 4 cancellation kada, 19, 25. This is not 4 multiple. Something went wrong. Let's go for cancellation with 3. 114 by 120. 3 cancellation 40 times, 38 times, 19 2 times, 2 20 times, 20 goes to the other side. That will become 20 by 25. In other way we can say 4 by 5. So A is 4 parts, B is 5 parts, total is 9 parts. 9 parts is 18,000, 1 part is 2,000. A's salary was 4 parts, 8,000. The length and breadth of a rectangular lawn are 36 meters and 20 meters respectively. It has two roads, each 3 meters wide, running in the middle of it, one parallel to length and the other parallel to breadth. What is the cost of graveling these roads? Right. You have a rectangle here. We have two roads, one parallel to length, the other parallel to its breadth. They said it is middle of it, but then I converted to corners. If this is your rectangle, middle of it, this will be the road. I am just shifting these roads here. Are you okay? Because it will be so simple for us to calculate. If outer rectangle length is 36, inner rectangle becomes 33. Outer rectangle breadth becomes 20, inner rectangle becomes 17. Road area is outer rectangle area minus inner rectangle area. That will be 36 into 20 minus inner rectangle area 33 into 17. This is road area. But we were asked to calculate cost. Costing is 3 rupees per square meter into 3. Yes? ఇంత పెద్ద క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఎవరైనా చేస్తారా? మీరు చేస్తారా? This number ends with 0 minus 1 ends with 9 into 3 ends with. How many options are there? Even if you have multiple options which are ending with 7, still you can eliminate. This is one clue. What is that? Answer must be 3 multiple. Still, if couple of options are there, still you can do it. Is it 3 multiple? That means this entire number is 3 multiple. This is also 3 multiple. Second number is also 3 multiple. The number inside bracket is 3 multiple. Outside 3 multiple. Number must be 9 multiple. Next. A car travels from city A to B at an average speed of 60 km per hour and reaches city B on time. If the car reduces its speed to 50 km per hour, it takes 16 minutes more to reach city B. If the distance between, what is the distance between city A and B? Okay. Initial speed was later. ఏం పుట్టింది మీకు? Are you willing to learn or not? Initial speed 60. Later speed 50. Speeds ratio. Then time ratio. Time increased by how many parts? Time increased by how many minutes? One part is 16 minutes. Then 5 parts is going to be 80 minutes, correct? But what is your exact question about? Distance in the sense speed into time only. Time 80 is in minutes, convert into hours, multiplied by speed 60. Gets cancelled. Distance is 80. X is greater than y by 12 and the respect ratio between x and y is 3:2. In terms of number of parts, what is the difference which is equal to 12 in number? If one part is 12, x is going to be 36, y is 24. What is the sum of a third number z and x? We have a third number z. Finally, we have to calculate sum of x and z, where z is equal to 5 by 16 times of y. You already know y value, which is 24. 24 5 times 120 divided by 16. 8 15 times 8 2 times 15 by 2, 7.5 plus 36, 43.5. P, whose monthly income is 39,500, she spends 9/20th of her salary monthly income on household expenditure. 9/20th. Initial income 100%. 9/20th of 100% in terms of percentage. 45% spent on household income, household expenditure. 24% of monthly income 100%. 24% of it will be 24 on her children education fee, children's school fee. 40% of the remaining income. So far, how much is over? How much is left over? Out of 31, 40% she donates to an NGO. What is the amount left with her in a month? If 40% of the remaining is already given to NGO, what will be left? 60% of this number will be 6 into 10%. What is 10%? 6 times of it. 18.6% calculated on 39,500. What is 1%? 395. 5 less than 400. Double. 10 less than 800. That I'll write it as 790 divided by 2 for calculation purpose. 0 and decimal can be eliminated. 2 cancellation. 93. Answer ends with, how many are there? 2 options are there. 93 is a 3 multiple. Answer must be 3 multiple. Go to options which are ending with 7. 3. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 7, 18. This is 3 multiple. This is also 3 multiple. Avuna? Inga chachinattu cheyalsinde. No other way. Let me take this number 79 as 80 minus 1 time. Is that okay? 80 has 0, I'll write 0. 8 3 is 24, 2 carry, 8 9 72 plus 2, 74. From this, if you subtract 93, answer will be in 7,300. We are done. Fourth option. Done. The price of 8 books and 24 registers is 1760. The price of 1 book is 124 more than price of 1 register. What is the total price of 4 books and 2 registers? Okay. 1 book cost is 124 rupees more than 1 register. So in place of these 8 books, I can write 8 registers plus 8 times of 124. Can I do that? Come on. 8 registers, 24 registers. ఇంకొకసారి ఇదే బిహేవియర్ ఉంటే ఐ విల్ క్యాన్సిల్ టుడేస్ క్లాస్. నాట్ ఓన్లీ మై క్లాస్, ద అదర్ 2 classes ఆల్సో. అక్కడ రాసి యాడ్ చేయమని అడుగుతున్నా. కనీసం తిన్నదరిగేదాకన్నా పని చేయాలి కదా. బుద్ధుందా అసలు మీకు? గ్రాడ్యుయేట్స్ లాగా బిహేవ్ చేయట్లా. ఇంతమంది ఉన్నారు జనాలు, ఎందుకు ఉపయోగం లేకుండా పోతుంది. మీరు తినొచ్చిన డబ్బులు మీ కాదు, మీ నాన్నయ్య. ఎక్కడో ఒక్కళ్ళో ఇద్దరు ముగ్గురే ఉండుండొచ్చు మీ డబ్బులు మీరు ఖర్చు పెట్టుకునేవాళ్ళు. అరే ఇంట్లో పేరెంట్స్ డబ్బులు తీసుకొని వచ్చి 8, 28, 24ని కూడా యాడ్ చేయటం రాకపోతే రైలు కింద పడి చచ్చిపోవచ్చు. అసలు ఎందుకు పిక్కు తింటారు మీ పేరెంట్స్ని? ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి ఏదో పెద్ద దేశాన్ని ఉద్ధరించే వాళ్ళలాగా. గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ దాకా చదివించారు మీ పేరెంట్స్ మిమ్మల్ని. అక్కడ ఏం చదివి చచ్చారని ఇక్కడ దాకా వచ్చారు మీరు. పోనీ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఏం వెలగబెడుతున్నారు? నెలకు మొక్క కోసుకొని తింటున్నారు. మీకు అర్థం కావట్లే మీ పేరెంట్స్ది. నెల నెల డబ్బులు తెచ్చుకుంటున్నారు కదా. బాడీలో ఒక్కొక్క పార్ట్ కోసుకొని తింటున్నారు, మీకు అర్థం కావట్లే ఆ విషయం. ఆ కర్మ పాపం వాళ్ళకి ఎందుకు, మిమ్మల్ని కన్న పాపానికి. చదువుకుంటే చదువుకోండి, లేదంటే దేని మీద బిల్డింగ్ మీద నుంచో లేకపోతే ట్రైన్ కిందో ఏదో ఒకటి దూకి సావండి. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి దేనికి? ఇంకా అక్కడ మీ గురించి మీ పేరెంట్స్ పెద్ద ఊహల్లో ఉంటారు. మా అబ్బాయి కలెక్టర్ అయ్యి వస్తాడు, మా అమ్మాయి ఎస్పీ అయ్యి వస్తుంది అనుకుంటా. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి 8కి 24కి యాడ్ చేస్తే తెలియట్లా మీకు. ఎందుకు ఇంకెంత బతుకు? ఇదేమన్నా లైబ్రరీనా వచ్చి కామ్గా కూర్చోటానికి? పోనీ విన్న వెంటనే బాగా గుర్తుండిపోయేంత గొప్పోళ్ళ మీరు? ఆయనే ఉంటే తెల్లచీర ఎందుకని? మీకు నిజంగా అంత స్కిల్ ఉంటే డిగ్రీ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత, గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఈ కోచింగ్లు ఎందుకు అసలు? మైసూర్ మహారాజు మనవాళ్ళు మనవరాల్లాగా బిహేవ్ చేస్తున్నారు. 8కి 24ని ఎడిషన్ చేయటం రాదు మీకు. మళ్ళీ ఆఫీసు ఉద్యోగాలు కావాలి, నెలకు కనీసం ₹1,00,000 డబ్బులు కావాలి, పని మాత్రం చేయించకూడదు. చెప్పేవాళ్ళకి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ పోతుంది తెలుసా ఇట్లా ఉంటే. నిజంగా మీలాంటి వాళ్ళకి చెప్పడానికి నాకే సిగ్గేస్తుంది. అసలు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఎంత ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చో, మోస్ట్ కాంప్లికేటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇది. అవే చెప్తుంటే కనీసం క్వశ్చన్, ఎగ్జామ్ రాశారా మీరు? ఇది అంత ఈ ఎగ్జామ్ రాశారా? క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఇచ్చారా? ఇక్కడ కనపడుతుందా? ఆల్రెడీ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ రాశారు, మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ కనపడుతూ ఉంది. ఇది కాకుండా మళ్ళీ నేను కూడా రాస్తూ ఉన్నా, ఏం చెయ్యాలో కూడా నేనే చెప్తా ఉన్నా, అది కూడా రావట్లా. అండర్స్టాండ్ వేర్ యు ఆర్. అసలు మీ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఏంటో అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ఇలాంటి కాంపిటేటివ్ ఫీల్డ్లో ఉద్యోగం తెచ్చుకోవటం అనేది మీరు అనుకుంటున్నంత ఆషామాషి అయితే ఏమీ కాదు. 1, 2, 3, 4 ఎగ్జాములు రాసి వచ్చిన తర్వాత తెలుస్తుంది. అప్పటికి ఇంటి నుంచి కాలింగ్, ఇంకొచ్చేయండి టైం అయిపోయింది అని. ఈ వయసులో మీకు ఏమన్నా పనులు ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? ఏమండి, మీరు ఎక్స్ సర్వీస్ మెన్ కదా? ఎక్స్ సర్వీస్ మెన్ 2 కనపడుతూ ఉన్నారు నాకు. యాక్చువల్ 3 ఉన్నారు అక్కడ, 3 బెంచుల్లో వరుసగా. మీరు యూ డోంట్ లుక్ లైక్ ఎక్స్ సర్వీస్ మెన్, యూ లుక్ మచ్ యంగర్. బట్ దెర్ ఆర్ 3 people హియర్ ఐ కుడ్ సీ, ఈచ్ ఇన్ 1 bench. మీ వెనక చూడండి, మీ వెనక 2 ఉన్నారండి. ఆ ముగ్గురు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. వాళ్ళు ఉద్యోగాలు చేశారు ఆల్రెడీ, బోల్డంత పేరు సంపాదించుకున్నారు, బోల్డని డబ్బులు సంపాదించుకున్నారు. వాళ్ళకి డెఫినెట్గా పిల్లలు ఉండే ఉంటారు. ఆ పిల్లలు స్కూళ్ళకు కాలేజీలకు పోతూ ఉంటారు. వాళ్ళు బ్యాగులు వేసుకుని స్కూళ్ళకి కాలేజీలకి పోతూ ఉంటే వీళ్ళు కూడా బ్యాగులు వేసుకొని ఇక్కడికి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్కి వస్తూ ఉన్నారు. ఎంత డెడికేషన్ ఉండాలి వాళ్ళకి. వాళ్ళని చూసైనా సిగ్గు తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు మీరందరూ. ఆల్రెడీ ఒక జీవితానికి సరిపడా ఉద్యోగం చేసేసి రిటైర్మెంట్ తీసుకొని మళ్ళీ 2వ ఉద్యోగానికి తయారయ్యారు వాళ్ళు. ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ ఎక్కడి నుంచో రాదు, మీ పక్కనే ఉన్నాయి. మీకు ఒక్క రోజు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లేదు పబ్లిక్ సెక్టర్లో, ₹1 డబ్బు సంపాదించలా. వాళ్ళకి సర్వీస్ మొత్తం అయిపోయింది వాళ్ళది, మళ్ళీ 2వ సర్వీస్కి రెడీ అవుతున్నారు. పైగా ఈ క్లాస్ రూమ్లో వాళ్ళు బాగా రెస్పాండ్ అవుతున్నారు. సీరియస్లీ సంథింగ్ రాంగ్. అండ్ ఇఫ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద సిచ్యుయేషన్, బిలీవ్ మీ, యూ హ్యావ్ టు కన్సల్ట్ ఎ డాక్టర్. లైఫ్ మీద ఒక శ్రద్ధ లేదు, ఒక గోల్ లేదు, ఏదో సాధించాలి అని ఏదీ లేదు. వస్తున్నాం, 3 పూట్ల తింటున్నాం, మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళి పడుకుంటున్నాం. నెల అయిందా నాన్నకో అమ్మకో ఫోన్ చేసి డబ్బులను అడుగుతున్నాం. హ్యాపీ, బిందాస్. రోడ్డు మీద అడుక్కునే వాళ్ళన్నా కొంచెం పని చేసి అడుక్కుంటున్నారు. అడుక్కోవటం కూడా ఒక పని. వాళ్ళు కూడా పని చేసే డబ్బులు సంపాదిస్తున్నారు, ఆ పని చేసే 3 పూటలు తింటున్నారు. అడుక్కోవటం కూడా ఒక పని. వాళ్ళ కంటే లావిష్ లైఫ్ మీది. నాన్నకు ఒక ఫోన్ చేస్తారు, డబ్బులు వస్తున్నాయి, హ్యాపీ, బిందాస్. సిగ్గుండాలండి. నాన్న దగ్గర డబ్బులు తీసుకోవటం ఆపేసి నాన్నకి డబ్బు పంపించాలి, మనము అమ్మకు డబ్బు పంపించాలి, అమ్మకి ఏదైనా కొనిపెడదాం చీర, అమ్మకి ఏదైనా గోల్డ్ చేపిద్దాము, నాన్నకు బండి కొనిద్దాము. ఇన్ కేస్ నాన్న ఏదైనా చిన్న పని ఏదైనా చేస్తా అంటే వాళ్ళకి రిటైర్మెంట్ మనమే ఇద్దాము, వాళ్ళకి హెల్ప్ఫుల్గా ఉందాము. ఇవి ఉండాలి. 8-24 యాడ్ చేయకుండానే ఇవన్నీ చేయాలి అని అనుకుంటే యు ఆర్ ట్రావెలింగ్ ఇన్ Cloud9. కమ్ టు ద రియాలిటీ. వెనక ఒక 40-50 కోట్లు ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? ఉన్నాయా అన్నా? ఉన్నాయా? పోనీ మనకి ఎవరిని ఇస్తారా? అమ్మాయితో పాటు ఒక 40-50 కోట్లు ఏమైనా ఇస్తారా? సరే తీసేయి, ఒక 0 తీసేయి. 4 కానీ 5 కానీ ఏమైనా ఇస్తారా? మరి మన దగ్గర ఏం లేదన్నా. ఇంకా మనం బిజినెస్ కూడా పెట్టలేము. ఉద్యోగం చేయాల్సిందే, చదవాల్సిందే. వీళ్ళ గురించి మనం మాట్లాడుకునే రైట్ మనకు లేదు. ఏమైనా మాట్లాడామంటే నిర్భయ కేసు. There are 2 variables here, books and registers, and together cost is mentioned here. So you have to convert everything to books or everything to register so that you can calculate one value. For that there is a comparison. One book price is equal to 124 rupees more than one register. Like that 8 books are there. So I am writing it as 8 registers plus 8 times of 124. So now everything converted to registers. 8 registers plus 24, 32 registers plus some number is there. Right hand side already 17, 16 is there. So I'll take this positive number from left hand side to right hand side and it becomes a negative number, correct? How many times we are taking now? 8 times. And what is the number? 124. Treat that number as 125 minus 1. 8 125 is 1000 minus 8. 992. This is the price of 32 registers, correct? Then one register cost is equal to divided by 32. Don't calculate. Go to direct question. Question is about 4 books and then 2 registers. Again these 4 books I will rewrite it as 4 registers plus 4 times of 124. So finally we want how many registers? Finally how many registers? 6 registers. 4 converted registers and then 2 original. Total 6 registers cost is going to be this number multiplied by 6 plus 4 times of 124. 400 times 400. 424s 96. So plus 496. This is what we want to calculate, correct? Right. Except second option and third option. Look at numbers, options. Every other option is ending with different number. So let me go and verify last digit verification. Is that okay? Numerator number inside bracket ends with 8 into 6 ends with, denominator ends with 2 into which number ends with 8? Either 4 or 9. 2 possibilities are there. And other number, positive number, plus 496 ending with 6. So answer should end with either 0 or 5. How many options are there? Only one. You are done. Understood? ఇప్పుడు ఈ డిఫరెన్స్ తీసుకొని divided by 32 into 6. అందరూ చేస్తారు అది. Everybody does the same. If you are also following the same method which everybody else is following, where is the difference then? If you want to be in select list, not in waiting list. If you want to be in selection list, but not in failure list, there has to be difference. If you are following the method, approach which everybody else is following, you cannot make any difference. You are one among all. There has to be some difference so that you can save time and you should be able to answer more questions. Then you can make some difference. That approach I am trying to teach you, and you are not accepting. A retailer bought 30 kgs of rice at a discount of 20% on the market price. Besides, he was given 8 kgs of rice free of cost by the wholesaler for purchasing a bulk quantity. If the retailer sold the entire quantity of rice at the market price to his customers, what was his profit percentage? You try to be the retailer, please. You purchase 30 kgs. You don't know price of each kg. Assume 10 rupees. Usually we'll start with 100. It's a 3-digit number. So I want to cut down the simplification. So make it 10 rupees per kg. How many kgs are you buying? You are supposed to pay 300 rupees, but you are getting discount of 20%. 20% on 300, 60 reduced. So how much you are paying? You are paying 240 rupees. Fine. Okay. How many kgs you got so far? 30. At the same time, apart from discount, he is giving you 8 kgs of rice on free of cost. So you are not paying anything for 8 kgs. So how many kgs you have now? And each you are selling it at market price only. What was market price? 10 rupees. And by selling 38 kgs, how much you get? How much profit are you getting? 140 upon 240 percentage into 100. What is 50% of the denominator? 120. And how much more you need to add? 20 more you need to add, correct? Then you will get your numerator 140. Yes? Vertical relation. How do you get 20 using 120? By 6. Right hand side also apply the same. 50 by 6. 8 something. Answer 58 something. You are done. We are adding 20, which is 1/6 of 120. 120 is 50%. So 1/6 of 50%. 8 something. Enough. 50 plus 8, 58 something. The average temperature of a city in a particular week from Monday till Thursday was 60 degrees. If temperature in that same week of city from Tuesday till Friday was 63 foreign degrees, if the respective ratio between temperature on Monday and the temperature on Friday is 21:25, what is the sum of temperatures on Monday and Friday? Okay. Monday and Friday, temperatures ratio given 21:25. What is sum in terms of number of parts? Ideally, you are supposed to calculate one part value, and 46 into one part is going to be your final answer, correct? But look at your options. Options are close by 130, 140. That means how many times is it going to be? What is 3 times of this number? Is 138 there in your options? Then that is your answer. You understand? You really need to worry if your options are 46, 92, 138, 184, 230. All are 46 multiples. Then you have to calculate. Because there is only 146 multiple available, you don't have to solve the question at all. If all the options are 46 multiples, then what to do? Right. Observe the data. I am writing just for the sake of your understanding. Be remember. Monday to Thursday, average 60. Tuesday to Friday, average 63. Monday to Thursday, how many days? Tuesday to Friday? Okay. Monday to Thursday and Tuesday to Friday. Which days are common? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. These 3 days are common, right? In first case, which day is extra? Second one, which day is extra? If there is a change in average, that is because of these 2 days only. Because Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, they are common in both cases. Right? Because of there is a change in temperature on Monday and Friday, there is a change in average. Am I right? Observe average numbers. Is it more with Monday or more with Friday? Average is more with Monday or Friday? On Friday. That means Friday temperature is more than Monday temperature. How much more? That is for 4 days, right? 3 into 4, 12 is the difference in temperature from Friday to, in terms of number of parts. How many parts difference? That means, can I conclude 4 parts is equal to 12 and 46 parts is equal to how much? That's all. Got it? A and B started a business together and the respective ratio between investments of AB was 5:9. After 4 months from the start of the business, C joined and the respective ratio between investments of BC was 3:7. Earlier AB ratio, now BC ratio. Who is common? B. In number also B should be common. B in first ratio, 9 parts. Second ratio, 3 parts. So you have to make it equal. Then multiply second ratio with 3 only. Then second ratio B is to C becomes 9:21. Then entire ratio 5, 9, 21. And when did C join? After 4 months. If the annual profit earned by them was 7056, what was B's share of profit? Okay. Who started the business? Then AB will be there for 12 months. Because C joined after 4 months, he will be there for 4, 3 times 4, 3 times 4, 2 times 3, 3, 7, 5, 9, 14. Total how many parts? 28 parts. 7056 divided into 28 parts. And we want B value. B is getting how many parts? That means into 9 only. 6 into 9 ends with, denominator ends with 8 into which number ends with 4? Either 3 or 8. That means answer must end with either 3 or 8. How many options are there? How many options are there? 2 options are there which are ending with 8. Correct? But when you observe your calculation, you have into 9, right? Is your denominator 3 multiple? Then your answer must be definitely a multiple of 9. Go to options which are ending with 8. Is your first option 9 multiple? That can be your answer. Both are 8 multiples? Both are 9 multiples? Right. Okay. Very good. Then observe your numerator. I don't want to calculate. Last 3 digits. Is it 8 multiple? In denominator, do you have 8 multiple? Do you have 4 multiple? Then answer should be even number. Both are looking the same. అయినా కానీ రావట్లేదుగా, ఇంకా చేయాల్సిందే. Is there any other way? No. Come on. 14 2 times. 14 5 0 4 2 250 2 times. 250 to 9 times. Is it 4 multiple? Come on. Is it 4 multiple? Fourth final. Come on. 576 under root 24. This is more than 1600, so it will be in 40s. 42. Sum root x is equal to 66. Then x will be 66 square. Ends with 6. Fine, many options are there. What is 65 square? 4225. Answer should be more than this. How many options are there? Only one. Done? Where is your x? Right hand side. Numerator or denominator? Then x must be definitely a factor of 143. 143 is product of two distinct first prime numbers. So 11 and 13. These two are factors. Got it? So now I would like to identify only the last digit. Take x2 left hand side numerator. This entire number goes to right hand side denominator. Agreed or not? Right hand side you have 143. We want to identify only the last digit, so I am writing 3. Are you okay? Right. 2 square. 4 into 2. This is under root of 25, 625, which is 25, right? What is last digit here? 8. 8 minus 5. 3 minus 2. 1 goes to right hand side denominator. Answer ends with over. Followed? There is only one negative number here. So instead of 2, 7 by 8, listen carefully. Instead of 2, 7 by 8, I will subtract 3 and add 1 by 8 later. Are you okay? Subtract 3 from 3, 1 by 4. How much is left there? 1 by 4 plus how much you need to add? 1 by 8. 1 by 4 can be treated as 2 by 8 plus 1 by 8. So 2 by 5 plus 3 by 8. Can I divide like this? 16, 15, 31 by, so 2, 31 by 40. 240 times. ఏంటమ్మా కరెక్టే 80 plus 31 111 by 40 into x is equal to 222. 111 how many times? 40 goes to the other side. 80. See, if you want to subtract 95, what do we do? Subtract 100, add 5. Same way I am doing. Instead of 2, 7 by 8, I am subtracting 3, adding 1 by 8 later. Got it? Right, everywhere only one digit after decimal, correct? Subtract 4.2 from this number. How much is left? 20.2. 20.2 added to this number. 1045. Into 10 is also there. Intama 10. Ah, 4, right. Understood. Now you'll get 2 here. 10,452 into 10 undi kada. Right hand side 48 will come to left hand side. And this value is equal to 10404. Which square is this? 102 whole square. What is 100 square? This is little bit more than 10,000. And this is number is ending with, which square ends with 4? Either 2 or 8. It cannot be 108 square. because 108 square is close to 110 square. 110 square will be 12,100 again. Kada? So it will be only 102 whole square. Divided by 0.5. 0.5, can I write it as 1 by 2? Divided by 1 by 2. Denominator and denominator. 2 comes to numerator. Then 2 times of this number. 84.5. Can I write this number as 162 divided by 2? Because there is only one digit after decimal in both the numerator and denominator. 162 by 2. 81. Then sum becomes 165.5. Right hand side we have 1986 divided by 165.5. Correct? Intena? Right. Is it 3 multiple? In denominator, do you see 3 multiple? Then answer must be, go to options, only one. Then left hand side all are 0.8 something. 0.8 to the power of 2.5 into, so we have to add these two exponents. How much it becomes? 4 divided by minus 0.5, that will be equal to 0.8 to the power of 3.5. 0.8 can be written as 4 into 0.2. 0.8 power 3.5 in the sense 4 to the power of 3.5 into 0.2 to the power of 3.5. Already 0.2 power 3.5 is there. This gets cancelled. So 4 power 3.5 should be written as 2 power something. 4 power 3.5 can be written as 2 power 7. Multiple options are there. Right, what I verified was last digit verification. This number ends with 0. Ends with 0. Goes to right hand side. Doesn't matter, right? 0 minus 1. Which square ends with 9? Either 3 or 7. 4 options are there. So we have to calculate. That's what I already verified. Okay, now? Right. 0 is there. Forget about it. We can do this later. 8 fours, 2, 3 carry. 8 threes, 24, 27, and then a 0. This number goes to right hand side and becomes minus. Already there is a negative number, 4, 2, 5, 1. So both negative numbers put together, 6,971 subtracted from 7,500. First number is how much more than 7,000? This is how much less than 5,000? 29. Then x square value is equal to 529. Then x is equal to minus x goes to right hand side. Right hand side number comes to left hand side and becomes minus. Are you okay? Right. Treat it as a negative symbol. First go to options. Every option is having 0.2. Now, by observing our number after decimal, just see whether you get any carry or not. That's what. Are you okay? This is a negative number. Number after decimal. How much is that? 0.52. Now negative numbers. 0.2 or 20, 0.12, 0.32 subtracted from 0.52. Will you get any carry? Are you taking any carry? Right. There is no change in number before decimal. Correct? Can you verify last digit before decimal? Because 3 options ending with 6, 2 options ending with 4. You cannot verify number before decimal. Can you verify last 2 digits? Yes. 42, 42. Cancel. Ardhamainda. 74 subtracted from 100. Answer ends with. That's it. What is there in hundreds places, what is there in thousands places, doesn't matter. Because already option is given. X is an exponent for the number 5. So every left hand side number try to convert into 5 power something. 125 can be written as 5 cube to the power of 2. 5 power into 5 cube is also there. So we have to add exponent. Cancellation 15, under root 15 indirectly with under root 375. Is that okay? So under root 15, 2 times 30, 75, 5 times root 25. 5 is in denominator. 5 or 5 power 1, right? So in exponent we have to subtract 1, which is equal to 5 power. This value is equal to 5 power 11 minus x. Then 11 minus x must be equal to 8. X is equal to, that's all. X is in left hand side, keep it as it is. Right hand side number already 231. 1, 7 by 60. 67 by 60 goes to right hand side. Into 60 by 67. 127 by 40. Divided by 67 by 40 goes to the other side. Into 67 by 40. 129 by 34. 63 by 34 goes to the other side. 34 by 63. Correct? 67, 67 cancel. Come on. 20. 3 times. 2 times. Last digit verification can be done now. Come on. Numerator 1 into 3. 3 into 4. Denominator 2 into 3. 6 into which number ends with 2? Either 2 or 7. రెండు చచ్చినాయి కదా, అయినా పర్వాలా చేయొచ్చు. 3 multiple. Come on. 3 multiple. 9 multiple. మాట్లాడరు. 9 multiple gets cancelled. Can your answer be a 3 multiple? Go to options. Is it 3 multiple? No. Is it 3 multiple? No. It's aputla. 3 21 times. 21 11 times. 17 times. 187. 11 multiple ఉంది 231లో, మర్చిపోయాం అది. 231 has 11 multiple. We missed it. Under root of 239. Listen carefully. Under root of 239. Under root of 529. 20. Already we have 23, right? When you calculate under root of 529, how much you are getting? 23. Observe carefully. Can I write it as 23% of 100? Can I do that? Can I write 23 as 23 into 1? Can I write it as 23 into 100%? Now see the magic. This is 23%. This is also 23%. 23% can be taken common. Let me take 23% common. What is here? Minus 100 divided by 12. How many times? 13 times. 23 10 times 230. 23 3 times 69. 230 69. 299. Percentage symbol is there. If you delete that, you have to divide number with 100. Then number becomes 2.99. Over. Got it? This entire denominator goes to right hand side and becomes multiplication. 8 square plus 20. 7 into 6. Earlier we have 84 minus 42. 42 goes to the other side. 1 into 42. Minus 7 into 3 goes to the other side. Plus 21. 42, 21. Then this value is equal to 63. Correct? Keep x left hand side only. Take other two number to right hand sides. 126 comes in denominator. Divided by 14 goes to right hand side, numerator. 2 times, 7 times. Followed? 1.12, 2.24. Can I write 2.24 as 2 times of 1.12? 0.78 into 1.56. Can I write 1.76 as 2 times of 0.78? I can take 2 common. Come on. What is there? A square minus b square format. A plus b into a minus b. Denominator. Look at the denominator. 4 times of a minus b. Numerator a plus b into a minus b. A minus b gets cancelled. What is left? A plus b is left. 1.12 plus 0.78. 1.9. 2 times 1.9. 0.95. How much is this? 1 plus 10, 11. How much is this? 0.4 plus 10, 10 point. Answer should be 11 multiple and also ending with 0.4. Ending with 0.4, right? Straightforward, last 3 options eliminated. Is your second option 11 multiple? No. First option, final answer. X is in left hand side, negative side. Take that part to right hand side, becomes positive. Right hand side number comes to left hand side. Into 0.5 in the sense half of that number only. Tell me what is half of that number? 826. 826. That comes left hand side and becomes minus. Already left hand side 29 square is there, which is 841. Is equal to 435 divided by x. Correct? Then x will be, this entire number comes in denominator. Come on. Right. So can I write it like this? 435 divided by something. 41 minus 826. 800 cancel first of all. 41 minus 26, 15. 15, 3 times, 30 times. How much less than 450? 1 time less than 30 times only. 29 times. Number of projects handled by 5 companies during 5 years. Number of projects handled by company E increased by what percent from 24 to 26? E 24, 26. 140 became 217, increased by 70. While writing the number itself, I understood. What is 50% of initial number? What is 50%? 7 in the sense 5% only. Answer is 55%. Done. 77 upon 140 into 100. 50 percentage is 70. Extra 7 we have, which is 5%. 55%. All the given companies handled only 2 types of projects during all the given years, governmental and non-governmental. If the respective ratio between total number of governmental projects and the total number of non-governmental projects handled by all the given companies together in 2027 is 13:8. Total how many governmental projects were handled by all the given companies together in 2027? In 2027, let's calculate all the total value. Total 100, 100, 100, 100, 200. Remember. If you can't remember, write it. 600. 50, 50. 30, 60. 100 plus 90. 190. 190, 80. Total 870. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 8, 15, 10, 25 plus 8, 30 plus 8, 70. 9, 0, 3 is divided into 13:8. Total how many parts? And what projects are we looking for? Governmental only, which are 13 parts into 13. Come on. Numerator ends with, denominator ends with 1 into which number ends with 9? Answer should end with only 1. What is the difference between average number of projects handled by B in 2024-25 together and average number of projects handled by D in 27-28 together? B 24-25. Sum of these two numbers. 160, 270, 430. 430 plus 12, 442. D in 27-28. To make the second number round figure, we need 4. Take 4 from first number, 154 is left, plus 200, 354. We need average difference, right? First, let me take difference first, then we'll convert into average. Is that okay? This fellow is how much more than 400? This is how much less than 400? 46, 42, 88. Now convert into average by 2, 44. Average difference or difference of average. Simply we are doing like this. A minus 2, A by 2 minus B by 2. This is what we are supposed to calculate. What we are taking? We are taking difference first, A minus B, then taking average. Out of total number of projects handled by company C during all the given years together, 61% were governmental projects and the remaining were non-governmental projects. What is the total number of non-governmental projects handled by company C during all the given years together? Right. What percent are governmental projects? Then what is remaining? So we are supposed to calculate 39% only. 39 is 3 multiple. Answer must be 3 multiple. Can it be first option? Second option? Yes, hold it. Third option? Yes, hold it. Fourth option? Yes. Fifth option? Yes. 39 is also 13 multiple. Come on. 13, you need to verify whether each and every number is 13 multiple or not. Okay. What I'll do is 13, 30 times by adding 0. From this either we can subtract 39. Again that will be 13 multiple. Avuna. Why are you going with 390? Because all the options are close by that number. Ardhamotunda? This is going to be 351. Do you have 351? Hold a minute. To this number, if you add 39 or subtract 13, if you add 13 or subtract 13, again that is going to be 13 multiple. So far, we know that this is 13 multiple. Agreed? To that, if you add 13 multiple or from that if you subtract 13 multiple, again result is going to be 13 multiple. Agreed or not? And I don't want to verify each and every number 13 multiple or not. Observe the difference. What is difference here? Second and third option difference. Is 13 multiple? Eliminate. What is difference between these two numbers? 12. Is that a 13 multiple? Eliminate. What is difference between first and last? 12. Is that 13 multiple? No. There is only one 13 multiple, 351 final. Otherwise, you have to calculate. Company C. Add all these values. Then calculate 39%. Are you okay? If the number of projects handled by company A increased by 25% from 2028 to 2029. A number of projects handled by company E decreased by 35% from 2028 to 2029. What was the total number of projects handled by companies AE together in 2029? A 2028, next year it increases by 25%. 25% half plus half. Half and half, correct? What is half of 180? Again half. 180, 45. 225. Are you okay? Then E decreased by 35%, correct? Earlier number 180 plus 45. Now already we have 240. From that we have to subtract. What percentage we have to subtract? 35%. Can I treat 35% as 25% plus 10%? What is 25%? 60. 10% total. So we have to subtract 84, right? Answer should end with 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0. 5 minus 4. Answer should end with, how many options are ending with 1? Clear? See, if you don't answer your questions, if you don't start working with your mind, it will not help you for your preparation. For sure,